In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive a list on Trello and then restore it whenever you need it again. If you're managing projects, working with a remote team, or just organizing your tasks, knowing how to properly archive and recover lists can help you keep your board clean without permanently deleting important information. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where your list is located. In this example, we're using the Remote Team board. Once you're inside the correct board, take a look at the list you want to archive. Archiving is useful when a list is no longer active, but you don't want to delete it permanently. Now, go to the specific list you want to archive. At the top right corner of that list, click on the three dots to open the List Actions menu. This menu gives you several options for managing the list. From the drop-down options, click on Archive this list. Trello will immediately remove the list from your active board view. Don't worry, archiving does not delete the list. It simply hides it from the main board so you can reduce clutter and stay organized. At this point, the list will no longer be visible on your board. If you're managing multiple workflows, this is a great way to keep completed phases or old task groups out of sight while still preserving the data. Now let's restore the archived list. To do this, look at the top right area of your Trello board and click on Show Menu if the side menu is collapsed. From the menu panel, find and click on Archived Items. This section contains all archived cards and lists associated with this board. Once you're inside Archived Items, you'll see different tabs. Click on the Lists tab to filter and display only archived lists. This makes it easier to locate the exact list you previously archived. Find the list you want to bring back, and next to it, click on the Restore button. As soon as you click Restore, the list will reappear on your Trello board in its original position, complete with all of its cards and content intact. And that's it. You've successfully archived a list and restored it in Trello. This is a simple but powerful feature that helps you manage workflows without losing important information. Instead of deleting lists and risking data loss, archiving gives you a safe and reversible option. Keeping your boards clean and organized can dramatically improve productivity, especially when working with teams. Now you know exactly how to archive lists when they're no longer needed and restore them anytime with just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity guides, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.